Take one. Hi, I'm Mike.
And I'm Molly.
And welcome to another edition of
Behind the Drywall. So we are here in
North San Antonio.
Yes.
On a project that is actually a whole house remodel, but we're just going to talk about the master suite.
Okay. So you're walking through the master bedroom. A lot has happened here. We can get to that, but the really exciting part is what we did in the master bathroom. So
let's go to the bathroom together.
Check it out. So Mike, you want to explain how this looked before? It's drastically different.
Sure, Molly. I'd be happy to.
Okay.
So basically in here, it was a master bath, but we had at the time, the standard drop-in tub with a very large tub deck took up basically half of the bathroom. They had a vanity that was an L shape, but there was, instead of the corner that's there now, it was an angled wall just to take up space. The shower was in the corner, but very inefficient. So what we did is we took out the corner wall so we'd have one long double vanity, so we're not taking up room over on this side.
And that corner wall, it served no purpose whatsoever. It was just an
like
angle, just so they could have the vanity and a vanity and a vanity, but it behind the wall was nothing. So we squared it off.
Squared it off, had redid the plumbing, new cabinets, and instead of a tub deck with a tub, we actually built a deck for the faucets to go on, and we're going to have a freestanding black tub over here. So it's much more of a focal point.
There will not be a toilet in the middle of the bathroom, just so you know.
That's
this is just here because it's we haven't tiled that area, and that will go back where it's supposed to go.
Right, we're reusing the toilet. And speaking of...
And not actually...
No.
Like right now.
Speaking of reusing things, you want to show them the...
Yes! Okay, so this is something really exciting that we really love when we're able to do this. So on this project, we're able to reuse a few things. In the kitchen area, which you'll see next month, we took out a bunch of cabinets. We're also reusing some cabinets in certain areas, but we saved all the hardware. So this is the hardware from the kitchen. And it's so cool. I love it. It's pewter. So we decided it might look really, really cool on the new vanity. So we're reusing or repurposing the same hardware from the kitchen, and we're putting it right here on the new vanity. So it'll go like that.
We weren't sure if it was going to work, but we saved it just in case.
We saved it just in case, and it worked out really, really well. This is a sample of the countertops that are going to go in. So this is a quartz, it's called Calcutta ribbon. It's beautiful, and this is how it'll look all along here. And we're also going to have this same piece, the countertop will be the same matching, will go on the top of this corner deck right here. And we're going to make a really nifty, out of the same thing, a corner ledge that's going to go in the new shower. In the new shower. So,
and in the new shower,
that looks like
Molly has this accent band.
I can get in there.
Take a shower there. So you have an accent band
really neat.
In here vertically. The tiles we use are also kind of oversized. That'll run vertically as well to extend it. Then as well, an accent band inside the shampoo box. And all the edges are finished out in what's called a Schluter edge, which just makes a real nice, clean, square edge on all the tiles. So that goes all the way around.
We have Schluter edges because it almost just disappears. This same edge will go on the wainscoting that runs along the wall here. So it's just really clean look.
It's a nice way to finish off unfinished tile edges, basically.
And then the glass will be frameless. The hardware handles and the hinges that go on the glass will be a matte black color. So it's all coming together.
So I have the black here, the black freestanding tub. It's just a really nice look.
And some large format tiles, which is really trending right now, although I feel like it's going to stick around for a really, really long time. And it just makes it bigger.
Oddly enough, when you
Feels
have
bigger.
larger tiles, it makes a space look bigger. It's an optical illusion. Smaller tiles make it smaller. Even you would think the opposite, but the larger tiles make it feel bigger. They're harder to install. You really have to have an excellent tile installer to make sure they're done right because there's no room for error.
It's so smooth. And also running it like this
Yeah.
makes it just feel really just big and long.
So we'll be done with this section probably in about another week or two. And while this is going on, we'll work on the other section that you'll get to see next month, which is the whole kitchen, living, dining area.
yeah, so join us next month so you can see the rest of this and how it turns out. And if you like what you see, you can always go on our YouTube channel and check out other things that we've done, other behind the drywalls that we posted. And please subscribe, share with the world.
That's right. Thanks for joining us.
All right, see ya.